I'm gonna give somebody a seizure. What is up, you guys? It's your girl Tori Aaliyah, and I am back with another video. So if you're watching this, it's around the new year, so I just want to wish everyone a happy new year. So yeah, I just want to wish everyone a happy new year. I hope you guys have a wonderful 2022, and let's get into this video. So throughout last year, it's so weird because I'm filming this on January 1st, but anyways, last year I bought a bunch of stuff on Amazon throughout the year that I felt like worked perfectly for me, so I wanted to come on here and share them with you in case you want to try them out. And they're gonna be both like summer winter stuff, so let's get into it. My first item would be this stand behind me, this phone stand. I got this on Amazon and I'm not sure of the price. But I will link it down below. It wasn't expensive. Anyways, I'll put the price here. Anyways, I found this on Amazon and I just love this stand, y'all. First of all, it's pink, which I love, and I use it all the time for my phone whenever I'm like doing my makeup. I can just watch on the screen. It's perfect for that. And if I'm doing cool like close-up videos, I usually use this as a camera stand as well to take photos. So you can adjust it. It gets a lot tall. It gets taller too, or it can go shorter. And then, you know, this is as tall as it goes. But for a phone stand, it works perfect. And it also has that little slot right here, so you can still charge your phone or your tablet. I use my tablet on here too when I want like more than one screen. And yeah, I love it. It's pretty stable, pretty nice, doesn't fall over easily, and it just fits perfectly on my desk. So yeah, let's look at the other options. Okay, so my next thing that I like to use on a daily that I found on Amazon is this humidifier. So yes, you guys, so this is a humidifier. You turn it, you plug it in back here, and then you just press the button. It's just a cup, y'all, so you don't even have to use this if you want like a larger cup. I guess just the size of this determines it, but if you crack this, you can still use a cup. And I love this because it's so small, but it really does the job. I use this because during the winter time, at night when I'm, you know, just relaxing, I find that I have extremely dry throat because of the winter. So I use this humidifier to kind of like blow water vapor in my face. It just adds moisture and it does help with my dry throat at night. So I love using it, and it's also pretty good for your skin. So you put it by your bed and it's blowing on you. It's that cool mist. It feels amazing. So I use this. It also works as like a night light. So here it has like a white light similar to a ring light, and it also has like a color grid as well. So it is perfect. I've had this for a while. Actually, this is my second one because I had one before and then it broke the little part in here, and I was able to just return it to Amazon and they sent me a new one. Like, it wasn't a hassle. I just went online. They were like, sure, fine. They gave me a new one and I returned this and I was all good. And this one has, like, the first one broke off within 2 weeks. And I got this one, and then I've had this one for months. So still works amazing. Okay, so like I was saying about like cold winter months, the next thing I bought on Amazon is this heater, you guys. It's a mini heater, and the reason why I bought this is because I live in like an older house, so we do not have central air in here. So we have, you know, the typical heater in each room, and you turn it on. We set, you know, you have to set it to a certain time that it comes on, or it kicks in when the temperature goes down. And I found that like it's so cold in the mornings when I get up. I don't know if it's because you're under the covers. You know, when you're under the covers, you're sleeping, you get out, you're freezing. So that's why I invested in this last year, because when I would wake up early for work, I'll be freezing. And this just comes in so handy, you guys. It's so small. I put it on like my dresser, any surface that I'm close to while I'm getting ready, and it just warms me up. Usually I keep it like here on my windowsill, if you notice that in my backgrounds, but I use it and it's really cool. It has like the on and off. It also has, it oscillates as well, which is cool. And then it has a high and low option, and it gets really hot. Like I'll use it sometimes in here, like when it's just extremely cold and the heat hasn't like kicked in, and it warms me up so fast. It also has a fan, so like in the winter, like in the summertime when it gets hot, or when the place is a bit like warm, you can turn the fan on and it works really good. It's not the best fan, but it's nice that it has another like a fan to cool down. So yeah, I'll put the price for this here, but really compact. You know, I love it. And now that we're talking about fans, I also want to show you this other item that I got. So you guys, this is a fan. I showed my friends these and they thought it was like a vibrator. I was like, you know, it looks like one. It does. But anyways, it's not a vibrator. It's a fan, you guys. So basically, there's this little end right here. If this thing would focus. And then you just pull it out. See? And it's a fan. It's a USB output, so you can charge it, and it has like 2 speeds. It gets faster too. But yeah, you guys, this is the fan, and it works so, it's so good, you guys. And you can even flip this back part here and, you know, sit it somewhere. I found this fan earlier in, actually no, I found it like during the summertime, because I really wanted a fan because I was going to Miami and I knew it was gonna be so hot, and I just wanted a fan to walk around with. Like y'all, I was on like South Beach. Yeah, I was walking down South Beach. It was hot. It was hot, and I was just walking with this, and when I tell you, everybody was staring at me like, where did she get that? Where did she get that? Like, I need that. Some girl asked me, I was like, girl, I got it on Amazon, Handheld Fan. Everyone was like, I could see people staring at me like, where did she get that? Like, where did she get that? And I was just like, I have to show this to y'all. This comes in so handy when you're going out and you want a fan on you. You know, you just, it's perfect, you guys. And it really works. I also use it as a way to like dry my face. Like when I use setting spray, I use it to dry like my lash glue on my lashes. I use it for everything, girl. And it also has like a flashlight as well. So it has a flashlight. Yeah. And as soon as you tap it, it'll turn off. Like if it hits something, it'll turn off. And you just charge it. You can charge it while you're using it, which is perfect. So also got it in pink, but damn, everything's pink. So another thing that I wanted to show you guys was this night light that I got on Amazon. So this is the night light, you guys. It comes in like a pack of 2. And what's perfect about it is, I don't know if you've noticed, but there's no like on and off switch. It's an LED light, and basically you plug it in and when the room gets dark, it turns on. And then when the room gets light, it automatically comes off. So even if you come close to it and you're creating a shadow, it'll turn on. And as soon as you move away or you turn the light switch on, it'll turn off. So if it was right here, it would be off. But yes, you guys, so I bought this because I hate sleeping in complete darkness. I can't do it. And I would find myself like leaving the TV on, and all that blue light is not good for you. And then I would just like be waking up when like I see flashes of light on the TV. It would mess up my sleep. So I got a night light. This one's perfect because I've had night lights before, but you know you have to walk over to them and turn them on. This one just turns on for you. So you don't even have, and you don't have to turn it off in the mornings when you wake up. And it just goes with the flow. Like if it's raining and it's dark outside and your room's dark, it pops on. So this was perfect. Like I love it. Doesn't use a lot of energy either, because you know once it gets light, it's turning right off. It was perfect for me. Like I love a little light in my room, and this helped. And it comes in a pack of 2, so you can put it throughout your house. And I bought this towards the end of 2021, but I love it, so I had to include it in here. All right, so another thing I have on my list is this keyboard, you guys. It's a typewriter type keyboard, so the buttons are really raised. You know, it gives that typewriter look. Okay, and it came with this mouse as well. All you have to do is, it's wireless, so all you have to do is plug a USB that it comes with into your computer. So I have it plugged in here, and then as soon as it plugs in and you connect it, you're good to go. So you can always plug it out, plug it in. However, the reason why I bought this keyboard is because I type a lot on my computer, and while I was typing, because the keyboard is flat on your MacBook or on regular computers too, but it's extremely like flat on the MacBook, and you would be typing, I realized that it would hurt my fingers, especially if I had nails on and I have to be like stretching my fingers like that. It starts to hurt my fingers and my wrist. So I decided to invest in a keyboard just so I could practice more of, you know, typing like this. It probably is typing on my computer. I don't know why. So, you know. I like it, you know. It's a lot easier sometimes, and it's always good to have like a mouse that's not attached to your computer. This is perfect for when like you're editing. Always using your hands on the mouse pad, it does cause at least it does for me, causes my wrist to hurt when I'm like constantly in motion like this. But when like my hand is folded over like that, it's less painful. So that is like, that came in handy. I ordered this and it's nice that it came with the mouse, and it's pink. Yo, why am I buying so many pink stuff? What is wrong with me? Hey. So the next thing I have on my list is this sunrise clock, you guys. So this is a sunrise clock. It's not plugged in right now because I wouldn't, but the cord that it comes with is a USB in, and it is perfect, you guys. I love this sunrise clock because if you wake up extremely early in the mornings, the sun doesn't rise, especially now, the sun doesn't rise till like after 7, and you're supposed to be at work at 7, so you're not getting that sunrise feel that gradually wakes you up. And that's why I invested in this, because it gives you that option. Like, it's not exactly the same, but I usually put it at my bedside table. I usually turn it around at night so it's facing me, and then I set it. You can do intervals, so you can do 10, 20 or 30 minutes for it to rise. So I do like a 30 minutes, so it gradually rises and it gets like brighter and brighter and brighter and brighter till it's like blinding you. And this wakes you up. You can also add even this. You can do an alarm with it too, and you can also do like birds chirping and all that, you know, just to really feel like you're in nature. Usually I just use it for the sunrise option, and then I use like my phone or my Echo Dot for the alarm part, and then I just let this do the sunrise and wake me up. And this has been so helpful, you guys. Like before that, it was really hard waking up. This, I don't really have to set like more than one alarms. Like I'll do 2 alarms like 15 minutes apart, and that's good enough. I don't have to hit snooze. I never hit snooze when I use this because the light's so blinding. It brightens your whole room, and then you can just wake up. Perfect, you guys. So if you wake up early in the mornings and it's hard because it's still dark outside and you want that sunlight effect, because that's how you wake up without an alarm, I would invest in one of those, especially in the winter months where it's like dark majority of the day. Like I would get one. And then my last option is a tripod. So I'm actually filming with the tripod, so I think I'm gonna just insert a side view. Let me use my phone to film it though. Yes, I bought this tripod because I saw a girl on TikTok that takes her pictures herself and they come out great. So I bought it because I was just like, you know what, I really want to start taking more pictures for Instagram and all that, and I never have people to take it for me. Or if my family takes it, you know, it's not perfect, you know. Usually I'm real particular about how I want my photos to look. So I feel like if I take it, I know exactly what I'm looking for. This tripod works perfect because like it's the same height as me, and it doesn't take up a lot of space. Like typical tripods, they have 3 parts that, you know, move out to make it taller, and it takes up a lot of space. But this one just has a small little bottom, and then you extend it all the way up. So it's perfect for you to walk around and use it. It's very lightweight, and I just like it because it's so much easier than like typical tripods, you know. So I bought this one because, you know, in 2022 we're trying to take really good pictures. We're trying to be less dependent on others taking our pictures, you guys, because people don't be doing pictures. Like you be doing all this, you be getting on your stomach, getting on your knees, taking pictures of people, and then they turn around and like you be like, what were you taking a picture of? Like, girl, I look horrible. So take your own pictures in 2022, all right? And that's what I intend to do. I don't care if I look weird. It also comes with a remote. So let me show you the remote. So yeah, so it comes with this additional part right here for you to hold your phone. And because this is really made, it's made for like smaller cameras and like your phone. And then it also comes with a what do you call these? What did I say earlier? Like a Bluetooth to connect your phone. And then you can, you know, just snap the pictures away from the tripod, so you don't have to set a timer. And it's perfect. It works with both Android and iOS. So yeah, I like it. So far, I've used it to take pictures and they come out great. I've used it to prop up my phone. It's great if you make TikToks and all that. And you know, you don't want to put your phone anywhere. You know, you don't want to lean your phone up on stuff. You just want a nice tripod that will get all of you in the shot. It's really good for that. It really works. Like, I love it. And yeah, I'm glad I invested in it. It wasn't expensive at all. And I'll list the price as well below. I'll put the link for everything. But yeah, those are all the stuff that I got from Amazon last year that I thought would be great for you for 2022, both winter and summer. How much stuff did I link? 7 or 8 items. But yeah, guys, I hope that was helpful. I hope you liked the items. Let me know if you have any questions about anything, and please make sure to like and subscribe to this channel. It really means a lot to me. Thank you for taking the time out to watch this video, and I hope you come back for more, because we will be posting every week on here, at least twice a week. So yeah, I will see you in my next one. Bye.